Pearls of Boating Wisdom, providing remote technical support for offshore or coastal cruising. Are you 100% confident to make repairs if your engine won't start? Are you simply new to offshore cruising? Is your syndicate boat neglected, or do you not spend enough time on it to understand everything fully? Is the bombardment of information and gear that you must have before heading off overwhelming, stressful and restrictive? Simply put, if you are less than completely confident to care and maintain for your yacht, then this is the solution for you. Together, we will build a technical file for every system you have on board, including electrical, mechanical, rigging and plumbing, so that when things turn sour, day or night, I will be able to help and advise on repairs from wherever you are on the high seas. Simply text, phone or email. Drawing on decades of offshore experience, a professional marine engineer and electrician will be able to answer your questions, advise on the best course of action, and keep you sailing rather than spending weeks or months in a port sourcing parts and skilled labour. With us, you become the skilled labour, and I will help with sourcing and shipping spares to anywhere in the world.